What is up, folks? Matt out here, Lead Auto Sales, Wichita, Kansas. I'm gonna take a moment to show you this awesome Escalade that we just got in. Grab the keys out of my pocket. You know, I'm a complete and total sucker for this pearl color. It looks good on everything. Everything. Just like we got remote start, you know, automatic tailgate for the glass and the gate itself. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Maybe. There it goes. Alright, now it's far too close to that pole there, so we can't open up the hatch, but that's alright. We'll walk around to this side here. Look at that. That's pretty. And look at this, not just one, but two. Two screens for me and you. Pop that down by that one. Is that the remote? Holy crap, that's the remote, guys. I found the remote. It's a good spot for it, truthfully. Let's check out back here. See how easy this is to get to? There's a little button right here. Oh shoot, watch your head. It'll knock you out. We got little speakers right here. Okay. Look at that, super easy to get in and out. All right. Let's check this out back here. Okay, looks like I'm missing the remote here, but that's all right. At least it has one. This thing is super duper nice. What is this? Okay, little pouch there. There's the miniature Jeff. It's nice. Big and spacious. Look at that Bose surround sound. Let's go ahead and pull it up just a little bit more. Let's start her up. Let's go forward a little bit. About like right there. Look at this. That is just super nice. Man. Let's look in here. Oh, what is all this? Headphones. Cool. Look at that. That's super cool. And that's a charger, it looks like. Nice. Little spot for your SD cards. All that fun stuff. What does that do? Probably for the CD player. It's got the sunroof. Yeah, no, this thing's pretty freaking sweet. Pretty sweet. Alright, let's look here. Look at that tailgate back there. Oh look, it's got all the buttons too. And an extra camera. It's a dash cam for the rear. That's pretty sweet. Okay, let's see the buttons work. Say goodbye. Ready? Goodbye. Okay, and goodbye. So violent. And if you push it twice, it even lowers itself up. Look at all that space that you got there. Now, of course, you should unhook the safety belts there for sure. Before you just flop them down. Looks like got a little bit of storage up under here. It's not very deep. Let's see. Your jack's right there. Right down up in there. There's your fuses. Got a little latch. Slap that right there. Put that back on. All right, let's look up underneath. See, there's a tire up under there. I can't see. Yep, there sure is. Hell yeah. It does have a hitch. I see it has a spot where the cover can come off. It does not have a hitch equipped. Oh wait, but yep. Yeah. There's a spot. There's a spot for one. I saw the little square thing right up underneath that. Oh yeah. So pretty cool. Packed, loaded, full of extras. So yeah, come on down. Elite Auto Sales, Wichita, Kansas. 5505 East Kellogg Drive. Just nice tires too. That they sure are. Thank you so much for your time, and we will talk to you soon. If you have any questions, just give me a call and let me know. Thank you.